Hello everyone. So after you have installed Shodan and successfully given the API key and you have initialized the API key, the next step is to check the information about your account. For that, you can just type the command which is shodan space info and you will get the information about your account. What kind of information you're going to get? For example, you will get the information like query credits available. Because you have signed up as a free account, you will get 100 query credits as well as you will get 100 scan credits. You should make a note that each search request that you make, whenever you search using the terminal, the command line interface, your one query credit is utilized. As well as when you are scanning one IP address, again your one scan credit is utilized. So you are just limited to 100 scans or 100 credits. After that, your credits will get exhausted. What you can do is a quick workaround will be just create a new account and then you can again use these credits. So make sure you are onto the latest version of the Shodan CLI that you have installed. The command to do that is shodan space version. And you will be able to see that you are onto the latest version. The next command is to count the number of results that we are going to get from the Shodan search query. So the command is shodan count OpenSSH. OpenSSH is the type of software which I am searching for. You can search anything instead of OpenSSH. For example, you can also search for big IP. As recently the CVE was released, that was CVE 2020-5902, a remote code execution into the traffic management user interface. That was the TMUI. So you can just search for a specific software or the version of the server which is running onto the internet and you will get the number of results that Shodan has specifically crawled and has saved onto its database. So it is the practical time and let's see how you can perform all these commands in practical. So the first one that we are going to see is shodan space info. So once you type this particular command, you will be able to see the query credits and the scan credits that are given to you. As I mentioned, if you are onto a free account, you will get 100. I'm onto a paid account. That's why I have a lot of scan as well as query credits available with me. The next command is shodan version to check that you are onto the latest version. So 1.21.3 is the latest version as we have installed it currently. So it is by default the latest version which have been installed for our system. The next command is an important command through which you are going to search and count the number of results that we get for a specific search query. For example, we want to see how many OpenSSH servers are there on Shodan. Then you can just type shodan count OpenSSH. OpenSSH is one of the specific version for SSH service, which is secure shell, which is used for doing remote logins between two computers. There are different versions of SSH like drop beer as well. So let us just hit enter and see how many results do we get. As you can see, we have got 25025 servers which are exposed on Shodan with the banner OpenSSH. Let us again search, but this time let us search for big IP and let's see how many big IP servers are exposed. As you can see the output, there are huge number of big IP servers which are exposed on Shodan. So I already reported a lot of servers of big IP where remote code execution was there. So yeah, this can be used in a very simple and effective manner wherein you can just identify and find the servers which are running onto a specific version of the software. If any exploit comes out or there is any 0 day of that particular software, then you can just query your results from Shodan and then you can run that particular exploit through which you will get mass exploitation, as well as you will get a high number of successful bounties and successful reports. So I hope you guys understood how you can use these 3 commands for Shodan. Thank you.